My says they do samosas. Can I have some juice? Some sugar cane. Yeah. Fresh samosas. Fresh. Is that jalebi, yeah? What is this? Wow. The machine, yeah? That's the machine. Oh, it's going inside. That's fascinating. No, that's it. I want to put it here.
Hey everyone, guys. We just got to Southall. Our first place is in Chai. Then before we hit the streets. Beautiful day, you know, very, very cold. But hey, we want to see what Southall have to offer. So stay tuned.
This is jalebi, yeah? Miles, do you want some jalebi? Jalebi? Eh? I mean, do you want some jalebi? Okay. Got myself a nice sugarcane juice. This is the machine that came from. This is the sugarcane. Now actually here the juice is actually nice. Going to put it in my glass. I don't know if he's going to put it in a glass yet. It's sweet, it's sweet. Oh, look at this. What is this?
No, because normally garden.
Can't get too thick. Well guys, I'm just in a Southall. I want to ask the gentleman what he's making. Hello friend, what are you making? I really like the fabrics. It's like a jacket, you put it over someone.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Wow. Jewelries. I'm looking for a bracelet. They need to be colorful.
You have to look through the racks, babe.
Wow, this is a big one. Coming in. Hello, how are you? How are you, my friend? This is a nice place. They have a restaurant here. This is how the menu look like. They have lamb chops. They have Afghan grill. They have lamb curry. They have dupia. They have chanaki. They have saloki. They have red kidney beans. And this is the phone number here. Amazing place, guys. They have a lot of stuff in the menu. So you come downstairs, they come up, then the restaurant is just here. Amazing shoes here. Look at the sandals. I actually like that. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at the baby ones. How much are they going for? The, and the baby ones? Okay. Wow, look at them. They're so cute. Name of that shop that you saw where they do the nice shoes, shop number 21. Yeah, it's quite amazing. It's in this shopping mall. Yeah, once you get here, you know, you'll find, just look for shop number 21. You'll find the shop. The name of the shopping mall is Himalaya Shopping Mall. It's just on the street of the Southall. I think, yeah, number 65. That's the name.
Yeah, but they're going to.
Wow. I'm looking for Dotty. Do you think they might have the Dotty?
You don't want to get OTT, I'll do the bread then.
Look, this shop have sunglasses. Everything is £1, £2. Wow, look. Let me show you these glasses. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these beautiful glasses. Look, they actually £2. £2 per glass. Can you believe? Look. Wow.
You don't want to get OTT, I'll do the bread then. I said, look, Sophie, come here, Sophie.
This panipuri. Hello. How are you?
Okay.
Very, very good. Is this panipuri, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Smells so good. Wow. Food. Sorry. Wow. So nice. Look at this. Their chicken look very crispy. You're going left, yeah? So pretty. It's a proper restaurant, yeah? Chicken biryani, £3.50. But it's indoor. It's a new restaurant?
Yeah.
Fish and chips. Thank you. It's fabric shop as well, babe. I think they'll have a watermelon here. It's got a long way. I can't carry it, you know.
I think there's a market over here.
Where? Did you see that? Ice pack. I bet you want, if you want masala spices and everything, you get it here. Yeah. It's a massive. Oh, look at the ginger. I bet it will be cheap. She's going straight to the ginger. Oh, look at the sweet potato. Wow.
Tell you what. Yeah, mooli.
Muli.
Yeah.
So what they're selling here?
All the food.
All the snacks. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. You do like them all. The only place that you see the like them ovals. It's more restaurants here.
There's a few here.
Mm.
We need to decide in this bit of this is where they all are. Yeah?
Yeah,
Unless you walk all the way up there from the train station.
exactly.
Which nobody seems to have the appetite to do. Oh, it's Pearson Museum.
Pardon?
Pearson Museum. We're pouring.
Oh, really?
They're literally doing it on the street.
I did that before, and I.
It's not for me. I do mine properly.
Pistachio. Oh my god, look at the size of the streets. Wow, look. Wow. Shops, big shops. I still can't find my earrings. The Scotch bonnet. What do you think of the ginger, babe? What do you think of the ginger? Do you think it's more organic? Do you see this cocoyam, you know? Spring onions. Is that plantain? Hello.
Why did you tell a little friend you were going back? What were you going back for? Oh, you were at 7.
Wow. What?
Just so you remember.
It's like the time of the jalapeno. It's like people buy it, take it home as a snack. Wow. a McDonald's.
But what do you want to do?
I think maybe have some chai or something.
Oh, you see?
Oh wow. Isn't it? That's where we are. Karachi.
That looks a bit spicy.
Which one?
Huh?
Which?
That.
Is that the mutton thing?
No, that's not.
नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजर